It's an grand.
Yeah, bro, I'm good.
I am good. Yeah, man. Yeah, thank you for making some time and coming into the studio.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah. So tell us more about yourself. Give us your name. Give us your stage name. Where are you from? Gcuwa and you don't know what in the rap game.
Okay, bro. First of all, I'm Batolele Dwanambi from Ethiopia back.
Yeah.
I'm doing rap, and they name me as the name of X. I'm X, yeah, bro. X, old man,
Yeah.
The reason why I've been busy boy, it's the way I am,
Yeah.
the way I do things, like to be chill. I'm a chill guy, bro. Every day I woke up, I want to learn something new, something is on keep up easy life in here, bro.
Yeah.
So I'm proud of myself, bro. Every day I try to wake up, try to learn something new, bro.
So when you investigating,
Yeah,
so
bro.
you can't get
Yeah,
anything. Like, person doesn't just come like, are you looking for new information or are you looking for new ways? So who influencer when as an artist? Are you looking for new ways? So who's empowering as an artist? I can't let go of all of this enthusiasm on I investigator. You don't know you can't get everything from your phone.
Okay, bro, it's like as I'm a person, one thing that I know is like if you're a person, you have to learn more to know about. And I gain a lot of motivations to other people to know where I'm going, maybe to follow my career, dreams, or whatever. I even learned with a small baby about pride, little child. I learned from it just because I want to be like somebody like bruh. I want to be like it's like the way brand ndifuna uba ngumuntu oyaziyo information yakhe mhlambi yonke like ndizikhangele mna ndizifunde ndizazi ndothi ndithi ndizifunde ndizazi wena ke Godman yami ndithini ndifunde nakwe mistakes zami. So I learn from umntana omncinci, maybe for example umntana omncinci bra angakuphendula into for example ongayilindelanga like okay hello papa, then he's like you bhuti yintoni kangaka yabona. So when I be like yo fuck mna lo nyazilaphi lengaka yabona. So I learn like that, bro, like every day I like to learn
unexpected knowledge.
Yeah, bro, that's keep me alive, bro, just because as a person I have to learn something every day.
Yeah, out of the information you've gathered, out of this information you have, I'm sure you've got lyrics, you've got something you can just spit out now. Just hit me with the few lines. Hit me with the few lines.
Okay, few lines now.
Yeah.
Okay, there's something like rap is my passion, and when you see direction, you stamp by like camera action, swag on, damn, you know me, money on my mind, the chicks are so broke, I say X on the mic, you know I get the flow, now you didn't know, shut up, you already know, that's my line, bro.
Yeah.
Like that, bro.
Just tell me of X in the next 5 years as a rapper. Where do you see yourself in the next 5 years?
Hey, bro. Yeah. It's like
those are dope bars.
Okay, bro. I'm a dancer.
Yeah.
Like b-boy, pop lock. I can do it. So as I look at myself, maybe 10 years and more. Yeah. Maybe it's like, hey. My model is Chris Brown, bro. I look to the nigga, that nigga. If you can look the way, like I wanna be like learn like every day, if you can take a look, Chris, Chris is like that, like every day is learning, learning like Chris. It's like ngumjito ngathi bra yabona usoloko forward yabona yeah
he's on that drive.
So bra, what I'm trying to say, things that I do is like I'm looking at my life okay njongi lenza muphila, then maybe like 10 years ngenza ndizokuthini bra izinto ziyenzeka bra yeah, but and into endifuna yaziwe i-one, if ever you want to be someone in life, yeah, take a look to your model, picture him, then you take yourself, like there's a line on other song, maybe it's Young Thug.
Yeah.
Young Thug, he says like, take yourself outside your body, then you look at yourself.
Yeah.
Yabo.
Yeah.
So if what comes to my mind, yabo, bruh, and it's like, okay, I can take myself or something, but then I look at my body. Okay, what? Okay, it's me. Né?
Yeah.
Then I look, okay, what I'm going to do just because I'm here now. So I must follow every step that I get, yabo, bruh.
Leading you to the way that you want.
To success, bruh.
Yeah.
That's the one. That's what we want. Yabo, as a young boys, yabo, living to a kasana, bruh, yabo, la way.
Getting up the ladder.
Yeah, bruh.
But
Yabo,
we're getting there.
Yeah.
We're getting there most things.